Good afternoon. We're at Alloys Park. Wise Alloys, it used to be Reynolds, made this park. They got kayaks here you can rent. I'm not for sure how you go about renting them. It's the first time I've been down here. I didn't realize we're on the top. It's got full hookup campground. All sewage, whole 9 yards. Look out here. And I think that right there is where you, when you rent your kayaks, you put them in there and get in and slide off or load up. Pretty houses down here. We just rode motorcycles, running a place to take a break. And like I say, as long as I've passed the road going to this place, I've never come down to see it. And the Wise Alloy plants put it in. And it's real nice. You can get over in those not camp things, little pavilions, each picnic table. And that's what, each person can go there and have a picnic. Got 2 little piers stuck out. Got 1 park bench. You can sit on that park bench right there and cast your line out. And it looks like a pretty good place to fish. You got a good view anyways. If you go right out that river, and I'll show them a drone footage and look up, you'll see Wheeler Dam. And if you probably look down, you'll be able to see Wilson Dam, because we're almost halfway between them. It's real clean down here. Got that bathroom. I'm gonna throw out my magnet here a little bit. I flew my drone. Cole did a little fishing. We hate to throw the magnet out if somebody's coming up fishing. They gonna disturb them. Yeah, but I'm gonna check with the kayaks. We can come down here and rent them. And this is Alloy Park in Colbert County, off of River Road. And we're on the south side of the Tennessee River. Well, this is 1 break stop. We're gonna get out of here after I throw my magnets a few times. I'll go over here and see it come up in this slough. Real pretty. Well, y'all have a nice Sunday. We appreciate y'all watching. Have a good day.